Sorry.
My friends, we're just about ready to kick things off. Will you please join me in welcoming one of the most familiar sports faces and voices in the state of Nebraska, WOWT's Ross Jernson. We're honored that Ross is here today to kick off the walk and proud to have Channel 6's continued support of the Lymphomathon. Please welcome Ross Jernstrom.
Hey everybody, how are we doing this morning? You ready for the walk? Well, this is weather in Nebraska. Last Tuesday we set a record with 90 degrees. I get up this morning, it's 40 degrees. Well, it's about 57 degrees right now, and Jim Flowers told me it'll be about 65 this afternoon, but the best thing, it's not going to rain, and it's not windy. So I think it'll be a good day for the walk, okay? First of all, welcome to Nebraska's third Lymphomathon. The Lymphoma Research Foundation is so excited that you're all here today. This is the third year of the Lymphomathon. It has been held in Nebraska, and thanks to each of you, it's obvious that you have expanded on the success of last year. 2010 to 2012, Nebraska Walk fundraising totals have raised nearly $250,000 for research. If today's brings in an additional $16,000, you will cross the $250,000 mark today. How about that? We're all here today because someone we know has been touched by lymphoma, the most common blood cancer and third most common cancer of childhood. More than one Nebraskan is diagnosed with lymphoma each day. The Lymphoma Research Foundation is a source of hope. Whether you are newly diagnosed, want detailed information about lymphoma, are looking for an ongoing support, or seeking help with long-term survivorship, LRF is here to help. Today's impressive turnout represents not only the critical need for lymphoma research, but also immense amount of promise that exists to find a cure. You represent more than 45 Lymphomathon teams and 500 participants. Together, you have raised more than $58,000 with money still coming in. $58,000 is enough to fund one LRF research grant, and thanks to your hard work, there will be at least one additional researcher who is working to find a cure. Funds raised benefit Nebraskans through free patient services, improved treatment options, and local research grants. LRF funds the best lymphoma research projects in the world. We're excited that some of the leading lymphoma research is being done right here in Nebraska at the University of Nebraska Medical Center. Please help me thank 3 researchers who are here today, and please raise your hand when I announce your name. Kai Fu, Kai Wing Chang, Timothy C. Greiner. Thanks, you guys. Also here today, members of LRS Scientific Advisory Board. Please raise your hand. Dr. John Chan, Dr. Julie Boyce, who is also the team captain for the lymphoma team. However, there is a special group of people who really made today possible. Please help me welcome the all-star volunteer team that made today possible. Chairman Joyce Clark and her committee. Now, this is Joyce's second year chairing the walk. Her leadership is helping us approach the $250,000 mark. And please raise your hand. Here are the volunteers. Vicki Serino, Carol Berg, Terry Tanger, Mary Beth Hohenstein, who organized today's army of volunteers, Susan Blumel, Rochelle Meisinger, Diane Zacharias, Linda Hammis, Brenda Ram, Martin Bass, and Carol Berg. Let's have a round of applause for those volunteers. by the generosity of Nebraska's businesses. Please help me thank and welcome today's sponsors. First of all, WWT Channel 6. How about them? Union Pacific Railroad, big supporter. The Nebraska Medical Center. We couldn't do it without you guys. The University of Nebraska Medical Center, University of Nebraska Medical Center physicians, Omaha Steaks, Frontier Bank of Lincoln, Valmont, Green Plains Renewable Energy, Metro Credit Union, Millennium, the Takeda Oncology Company, Celgene, Genentech, on-the-spot massage. If you're hurting after the walk, we got massages right to the left of the stage up here. And thanks to Ken Rump for providing the sound back here. Great sound system. And thanks to Starbucks for donating the coffee today. On a day like this, we really need a cup of coffee. Thank you very much. To start today's walk, there's one person who wouldn't be here today, and Joyce Clark. Joyce is the 2012 chairperson of the Nebraska Lymphomathon, and her leadership and, most of all, her enthusiasm has made today possible. She's also the team captain of John Clark's team, and I'll tell you what, they've got a great group, and they have raised more than $9,000 for research during the past 3 years. Way to go, you guys. Good to see you here again. Joyce, I'm going to turn it over to you to get us started with the walk. Joyce Clark, everybody.
Thank you, Ron. I'd like to thank everyone for coming. This has really been a fun event to chair. I have a marvelous volunteer planning team. No one could do this without all of their help. They've just been fabulous. The teams, it's been so fun to track all the teams and see all the donations come in. Union Pacific, of course, Kim's Cruise, Project Unicorn, which was a late joiner and a very strong team. The Team Perry, Team Herald, Team Hodgepodge, Team Honey Badgers, Back in Black. There's just too many of you to name. I tried to meet some of you, but thank you for all being here. We're getting ready to take our first step here to Fan the Cure. I have to turn the page. I also wanted to thank, we forgot to mention Dr. Josie. He's over there, he's one of our researchers, and he's doing the registration table. So congrats to him and thanks to him. So we're ready. Without further ado, I'm going to have a couple of teams start the walk. It's time to take a step, find a cure. We're going to follow the route. Papa's All-Stars, the Lymphomaniacs, Dr. Vos, her team. So they're right over here. Papa's All-Stars. My team is over here.